say to the guy, yeah, I'm out of order, you're out of order.
What did he say back to you?
What do you mean, what did he say back to me? You're not going to reply to that kind of thing.
Hey guys, check this guy coming around.
Hey Koki, what time is it?
3:04 a.m.
Look at this loser coming out at 3 o'clock in the morning.
I think I know what he wants. Coffee hot cocoa.
Oh my god, do.
Jow.
Spin his dollar out.
What? Yeah.
Spin it out,
Jow.
What's he doing now?
Oh, he's trying the bill rub.
Like that it works? Come on, man.
Alright, here we go. Jow.
Oh my god, dude. Keep it, dude.
What?
Keep his money.
Okay. Don't burn your mouth on this piping hot cup. Oh, nothing! Wait, boys, check it out. Jow.
You got served.
Oh, he's coming your way, Koki. You gotta do this. Come on, dude. Come on,
Give me that dollar. Oh, he's got quarters for me.
You gotta keep us quarters, dude. Come on, dude.
Okay, oh my god. Diet Sprite, instead, perhaps you prefer the cool, refreshing taste of nothing! Guys, he's trying the coin return, like that's even connected! Oh gosh, guys, all he has left is that wrinkled old dollar.
You know what that means, dudes?
He's going to you, change machine.
Come on, change. You
Yeah,
gotta keep
change.
us money.
Change.
I'm so sorry, you guys. I just got so excited.
All right, boys. Time to watch the master work.
Give it a second. Give me the beach nuts.
The beach nuts? Yeah. Oh, good choice. Here comes her candy. Here it comes. Oh, it's so delicious and tasty. It's stuff!